EagleRidge, your trusted roofing contractor in West Valley City, Utah. EagleRidge is the leading roofing contractor in West Valley City, Utah, proudly serving the 84119, 84120, and 84128 zip codes. Our expert team specializes in providing top-quality residential and commercial roofing solutions. We excel in a wide range of services, including roof inspections, repairs, replacements, and installations, covering materials like asphalt shingles, metal, and flat roofing systems. With a commitment to quality and long-lasting results, EagleRidge uses only premium materials while adhering to the highest industry standards. Our services extend beyond West Valley City, reaching throughout Salt Lake County and neighboring regions along the Wasatch Front. Known for transparent communication and a customer-focused approach, EagleRidge is your trusted partner for reliable roofing services. Discover why homeowners and businesses choose EagleRidge for all their roofing needs. Call us today at 801-784-1457 or visit us at eagleridgepros.com.